Today, we're participating in a summer coffee beverage bar collaboration. And this coffee beverage bar collaboration is hosted every season. And it's so much fun. And so what I would love for you to do is to stay right there so you can see how this little lemon is going to add to our coffee beverage bar. I am so excited because today's video is being hosted by. I am truly looking forward to seeing what other creators have done. So in order to do that for you, I have placed the playlist down in the bottom of the description box so that you can just click on it and go straight to the playlist so that you can see all of the coffee beverage bars. So have a blessed summer and let's finish up this video. Well, here is our beverage bar, and you'll notice that I have my Cuisinart coffee pot and it's all ready for tomorrow's coffee. And I have the items that I need, my sugar container, my creamer. I have lemons because after all, this is a beverage bar. So I'm also going to prepare some lemonade. I'm going to get some lemons sliced up, get them into my 2-quart container. I'm going to add in 1 package of Crystal Light. And if you did not see my small Amazon haul last week, then you will want to take a look at that because I received 16 packages of Crystal Light. Each of the packages is equivalent to 2 quarts. And so very quickly, I can have a pitcher of Crystal Light lemonade ready. Now, of course, I have prepared fresh lemonade on the channel several times. And we'll probably do it again before the summer's out, but not today. So I'm watching a little bit of the sugar intake, and I'm going to use my Crystal Light. Now this is a lime that I'm going to add to our mixture, and I'm going to cut it very thinly because I want just a little bit of that lime citrus flavor, and I think it's going to add to the color in the container. They have been washed, and I'm going to use all of these. Notice I'm really cutting them very, very thin, and that's because I want all of those juices to go into our Crystal Light, so it gives it the flavor of fresh lemonade, even though it's not. Now, if you were making fresh lemonade, you would need at least 6 lemons, or a combination between the lime and the lemon if you were just doing a citrus drink. And add in about 1.5 cups of sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Okay, so here's our pitcher. And I have my package of Crystal Light. I'm going to pour that in. I only need 1 package. And I'm going to add in all of this good fresh fruit. Now, let me get all of that out of the way. It's nice and cold, so I'm going to pour that over it. I'm not sure it's going to fill it up enough. We may have to let it refill again, but it will get us started. We can start stirring. It gives us approximately about a quart or so. Oh yeah, definitely. We're going to need just a little more water. So while we're waiting on the pitcher to fill up, I'm going to bring you over a little closer, and you'll be able to see our lemonade. That's what we're working on. See our fruit floating. I have our squeeze the day napkins as well as some lemon napkins, some for coffee and some just to use with a beverage. I also have extra lemons here. I have one of the crystal light packages so you can see it. This package is equivalent to 2 quarts of lemonade. And of course, our coffee maker. So this is going to do dual purpose. I'm going to be able to keep a nice cool beverage as well as a hot beverage in the morning. We do coffee every day regardless of whether it's summer, spring, fall, or winter. It doesn't matter. Coffee is served every day. But lemonade is pretty much reserved for spring and summer. So a nice container of lemonade is going to do just the trick. So let me finish that up. Now I'm going to add more water into our pitcher. Okay, there we go. I'm going to get a spoon and give this a good stir. To make sure I have everything stirred well. And since that water was ice cold, this lemonade is going to be delicious. And it's ready to drink immediately. So let me get my glass. I have the ice in my glass. Let me pour a little right here. That is so refreshing. So I'm going to get my squeeze a day lemon napkin. So I can sit it right here. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful summer. And certainly, if you're like me, I like for my summer to be laid back and easy. And we're chilling either on the deck or even in the house, depending upon what's going on. And you might even be in your backyard. But what a wonderful way to be able to spend the summer just sipping on tasty liquids and tasty beverages. Now, I have mine. I prepared my lemonade, and actually it's a lemon and limeade. And or we could call it a citrus beverage. And if I wanted to add a little taste of something extra, I could certainly do that. But that's not what I'm doing today. Now, that doesn't leave out the coffee, because there are those of us who love coffee every day no matter what. So that's the reason why the coffee is on the beverage bar, because that's a necessary piece of equipment. Now, the lemonade is more seasonal because it's nice and cool and refreshing. And in this case, it is something that I love, the big guy loves, and I can put it together very quickly. So I invite you to be a part of the family of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme. If you have not already subscribed, please do so, because we do these kinds of things all the time. We are decorating, we're cooking, we're chatting, we're having fun right here in the kitchen of Ebony, Ivy, and Thyme, where we do things in the kitchen for the kitchen. And you know, the kitchen is the heart of the home. It is the place where everybody wants to be. So let's work together, let's inspire and encourage each other, and let's bring love and keep love around that kitchen table. And I certainly hope that I'll see you in the next video.